So what is up, YouTube? It is your boy Josh the Goat back at y'all in another YouTube video, and today we got a custom on these Olympic gold medal 5s. These 5s are pretty beat, as you see, and they have some scuffs and scratches, if you guys can see that. But yeah, they look honestly a little clean right here just because the lighting is up. But today we'll be customizing these shoes, and I will show you guys the full process of bringing these Olympic gold medal 5s back to life. So stay tuned. Go grab some snacks, get a water bottle, some sweet tea, some Coke, just chill and, just take this process and learn how to customize these Olympic gold medal 5s. So the materials that we'll be using for this custom is the Maroon color from Angelus, professional leather prepared in the glazer from Angelus, flat black laces from Lace Lab, some clean Angelus paint brushes from Angelus. To set it off, some red Angelus tape to make sure our custom is nice and clean. So before we start painting and all that jazz, the first thing we gotta do before we paint on the sneaker is to clean it, to clean all the dirt off the base so the paint will completely stick.
I hate Young Menace.
No, you don't.
Ocean.
I really do hate Young Menace.
No, you don't.
It's my 54th time recording.
That's his fault.
But I'm gonna just get it done. Yeah, Saturday night. Woo! So I caught her up, caught 2 shots, heard her pop from my was our stop.
YouTube, so before we paint the shoe, we gotta tape the shoe up with this red Angelus tape that I'm finna use. So which parts that we will be painting? We will be painting the white part with the maroon Angelus paint. So all around the white, it will be maroon, and I'm thinking about this translucent part. I'm gonna paint it black, and then we're gonna put black laces in, and we're gonna keep the icy bottom because it's not that bad, but it's not perfect, but it's not that bad. It can still look good, on the custom. So all white maroon. I guess for the little lace pods, I guess I'll put those as black and the translucent spots black. So let's just get the taping up. First we're gonna tape up the midsole, and then I'm gonna paint the translucent part with flat black. So let's get into it.
Grab on this bitch, she wanna love. Don't want me to go, but she a hoe. I gotta show. Ooh, I'm ready for glow. I'm ready for cash. Hey, I know I'm the man. I just popped his hand. Hey, I got a plan. Let's have a kickback. Hey. Just bring the weed and the drinks, man. I got everything else. These rappers are below me. That's the name of.
Alright, so now that we got the sneaker all taped up, we are going to use flat black to paint the translucent part, and we may paint the lace locks. I'm just deciding on that, so that might be coming soon. Just painting these lace locks black, but I know we're gonna paint the translucent parts flat black, so let's get straight into it.
Top shelf. I'm on cloud 9, I'm up in the sky. No string like a kite, do I look high? Girl, look in my eyes.
So when painting the translucent cage, you want to do about 3 coats. This is after the first coat, so you want to do 3 coats so you can get in all the holes and edges and just make sure everything is clean. So I'll get back to y'all after we do 3 coats on the translucent cage and the translucent cage up top. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that we finished painting the black cage is on both sides with 3 coats. As you see, I messed up a little bit, but it's okay because on the outside we will be painting the outside burgundy, so it's all good. But I decided to keep this middle cage translucent, so the translucent bottom can actually match with some part of the shoe, so everything should be fine. So now we will get into painting the white leather burgundy, and then after that we're going to see how it turns out with the lace locks keeping it white. And if it doesn't look good, we're going to change the lace locks black. So let's just get into painting the leather part burgundy. So I will be using this color, and I will be using a medium-sized paintbrush. So let's get into it.
Don't you lie, oh never mind. Damn, we're so high. Let's get a bite. She got number 4, I got number 5. Hey, I'm on cloud 9. Hey, I'm on cloud 9. Hey, yeah. Baby, let's go. Baby, let's ride. Let's go.
So while you're painting the shoe, you want to do 3 to 4 coats, or maybe even 5, but you want to brush in the same direction the whole time, just like this, so you won't get any paint strokes showing on your finished product. So we're going to keep painting the whole shoe. We're going to do this 3 or 4 times, and if it needs a 5th coat, then we do a 5th coat. So yeah, let's just get straight into it.
Let's shine, enjoy the night, cause we finna ignite. The blow we gon' fly, you was so fine, you was so fine. You worth all my time, I treat you right, I treat you right. I light up your night, yeah. Baby, let's so high, yeah. I do not know what I would do without you.
Okay guys, now that we painted the upper maroon, as you see, all maroon, all burgundy, we are going to add the black laces in from Lace Lab. I got this from the package from Angeles, so shout out to them. So we're gonna add the black laces from Lace Lab in, and then I'm just get y'all on these good looks. I'm gonna take off the tape, and we're just gonna get into the final look of this shoe. So let's get into it.
Maybe let loose, fly up to Saturn. Fly up, baby, we can do it. It's that moon rock, baby, can't get me to it. I'm tryna stay away from the ground, stay away from the hound, all the false hoes we pursuing. Cause we all had dreams and we have nightmares, but we never know what the for the night fears. What it fears is a lie so high in the sky. I'm tryna be the one that the night fears. Take your hoe for the night, it's a done deal. Yeah, shawty ride with me, it's a done deal. Yeah, girl in love, but it ain't with you, but you still want it back, it's a done deal.
Wish I could call your cell phone to ask you how you feel. Nowadays a nigga think about you makes emotion feels. Wish I never fucking met you someday, some days not. Just know that you're tied to my heart, just like a knot. If I ever had a chance to reverse what I did, your name wouldn't be important as it really is. But you're still on my mind though, you're still on my mind though. Quit complaining cause you know the way it used to make you feel. I know I ain't had the money, but you fly.